everyone, welcome to Time Artistry, and I'm here to review one product that I recently got from Lazada. I actually promised to myself that once I reach the 1,000 subscribers, I'll reward myself with a microphone. Let's get it. I ordered it 2 weeks ago. Price is 1,095 pesos only, so it's very affordable and it can be very useful during virtual meetings. You can also use it during live interviews at work, or if you'll be invited in an online conference. So this is going to be very helpful. I've watched so many reviews on YouTube for those who already purchased that. It's really good, it's affordable, it's a good start for those who want to also start vlogging. So I'm not sure how to pronounce the name Xiaokoa, but I'm not sure. It's very lightweight, very compact. So let's open it. Siya. Ang maganda dito, it has English language, even if it's from China. And this one, the other manual, is Chinese. Maintindihan siya ng mga Filipinos and even others na bibili from different geographies. So it's totally the same. You have to read the manual before using it. So let me read it briefly. Device has supplied UHF wireless technology with low energy, long standby for 6 hours. It can be transmitted 50 meters maximum under laboratory data and without direction limit. Please note that the microphone is compatible with Android 9.0 and above. Below requires a third-party video app. I'm not sure what kind of video app is that, but also share it. I'll do more research and maybe just include it in the description. So the receiver can be used for wireless audio and video recording of digital devices with mic port, such as DSLR camera, PC, and it needs plugging adapter in the audio converter head, which attached to this product. First, meron tayong 3.5mm receiver. I'm actually using an iPhone 11, so I would probably need a port or a connector for it to work on my phone. So the good thing about the iPhone 7 Plus that I used to have before, it has an extra port in case you want to use other devices such as headset. So it's also helpful, or headphone. So here you go. So you just have to connect here and then to your phone. So meron siyang on-off switch here. At yung charging port. Let me remove the plastic. Ooh, it's very satisfying. The charger. So, dalawa siya. Ito yung charging, tapos ito yung charging port, Type-C charger. So, once you charge it, kasi wireless siya, just have to put it here. So, charging port. Yan! Then, you can use your own adapter. Wala siyang ibang adapter dito. Ito lang yung mga pang-charge niya. Next is the transmitter. Then, it comes with a microphone. Let me remove the plastic. So the microphone is something that you need to clip on your top. Like here, for example. It's ganito siya kahaba. Comes with a clip, volume adjuster. It has a charging port and on-off button. It looks cute, smiley face. You can put it anywhere, in your jeans, whatever you want to put it. I'm not using any microphone right now. I'm just using the microphone of my iPhone. The voice registration is actually very nice on iPhone 11. Just gonna try it for other vlogs wherein I require to actually go further kasi the iPhone might not capture my voice. Really want to compare the difference kapag I'm just using an iPhone compared to I'm using this, kasi one of the reasons why I really want to purchase a mic is because of the noise cancellation feature. But I'm not seeing in the manual na may noise cancellation feature siya. So, but I've actually seen a lot of reviews na meron. Even if you're outdoor, even if medyo malakas yung hangin, mas nababawasan yung noise sa paligid if you will use this microphone. So, I'm not using it right now. I'm just using my phone, obviously. So I'll just keep quiet kasi right now the air condition is turned on. So let's just see anong difference na. I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna keep my mouth shut. I bet you can hear that. That's the air conditioner. Very disturbing every time I vlog and naririnig ko yung air condition sound. Wala kasing noise cancellation yung iPhone 11. So now let's try this. Let's compare. I'm gonna plug it in. I'm gonna keep my mouth shut to compare kung noise cancellation ba talaga siya. Alright, now I'm back. I plugged it out so that I can actually compare again and for me to watch the replay. And it's just amazing. It has a little noise cancellation, so you can really spot the difference of using this mic rather than using the microphone of your phone. I love it. I mean, for 1,000, it's really a good deal. It's a good buy already. So I'm so happy with my purchase. So I really love it. Space saving, portability, noise cancellation at least, lightweight, it's very effortless to use, affordability. Yun talaga. I love it. I'm not into super technical specs that this product might have. I'm not, my main concern why I bought it is because of the noise of the air conditioner whenever I speak. So I think it serves its purpose. I'm so happy. Thank you guys for watching this channel. I hope you've decided already on what to buy in case you have concerns same as mine. So I would highly recommend this if you don't want to have a full setup of the microphone and you just want to plug it in and then vlog. But if you want to have a full setup naman, you can definitely do so as well. It depends on your preference. For me, kasi I want it to be convenient so that even if I'm outside, I can use it for my vlogs. So that's it, guys. Hope you've learned a lot from this video. And in case you want to buy this product, I will leave the link in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you. Have a good day. Stay safe and stay healthy.